Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate YouTube TV, use TV, YouTube.com/start to sign in step by step clearly. YouTube.com/start. Turn on your smart TV or streaming device and make sure it is connected to the internet. Open the YouTube TV app from your device's app list or home screen. If you do not have the app, install YouTube TV from the App Store on your device first. Launch the YouTube TV app and wait for the sign-in screen to appear. Choose the option that says Sign In or Activate on TV. On the TV screen, look for the unique activation code that appears. Keep that activation code visible and do not close the YouTube TV app. On your phone, tablet, or computer, open a web browser like Chrome, Safari, or Edge. In the address bar, type TV, YouTube.com/start exactly and press enter. Confirm you are on the official YouTube TV start page. Sign in with the Google account you want to use for YouTube TV. If you have multiple Google accounts, select the correct one carefully. If prompted, complete any security checks such as two-step verification. On the activation page, click the field to enter the code. Type the activation code shown on your TV, matching letters and numbers exactly. Click Next or Continue on the website to submit the code. Wait a few seconds while the website links your account to the TV device. Look back at your TV and confirm the app updates to your account screen. If your TV asks for permission to access your account, select Allow or Confirm. If you see a subscription prompt, choose your YouTube TV plan or confirm your existing membership. Make sure your location services are enabled if YouTube TV requests a location check. If the code expires, return to the TV app and generate a new code. Then repeat the entry step. If sign-in fails, restart the YouTube TV app and retry TV, YouTube.com/start with a fresh code. For persistent issues, check that your device date and time are set automatically. Also confirm your Wi-Fi is stable by opening another app or running a network test. If you use a VPN, disable it temporarily and try the activation again. After activation, select your profile and start streaming live TV or on-demand content. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.